Hello YouTube, this side is Muhammad Kaf. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Urdu font in our laptop, PC, desktop so that we can type Urdu letter in any word processing editor software. First of all, we need to know from which website we can download Urdu font. The website name is PAK Urdu installer. Let's start how to download PAK Urdu installer software. We need to open Google Chrome. Simply type PAK Urdu installer. Hit the enter button to the result. As you are showing, first link is download PAK Urdu installer period download Urdu font. Click on it. As you are showing, the website has opened at my screen. Then you have to go here, download for media file exe. It stands for execution file. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, it is starting downloading. So I don't need to download it because I have already downloaded it. Okay, here is it. It downloaded RAR file. We have to extract it. How to extract it? Right click on it. Go to extract file. Simply click OK. It is extracting. It is my extracted file. Double click on it. To open it, it is my PAK Urdu installer. Double click on it to install in our PC. PC, laptop, desktop. Click on next tab. Here after restarting your computer, laptop, desktop, you will be show a English font here in icon tray. If I click on it, here are shown two fonts. One is English language, another one is Urdu language. If I want to tap Urdu language, we have to choose Urdu language. Okay, let's check Urdu letter are being tapped or not. Open Win windward, windward. Here is it. Here is Microsoft Word. We have to tap any types of sentence in Urdu language. So first of all we need to change font. Go here and click on it, choose Urdu and go to WordPad. I keep its size bigger for clear visual. Actually I am here going to tap our channel name. Our channel name is Caf Info. How to tap in Urdu? Here I am tapping Caf Info. Caf Info. It is properly tapping in Urdu. Now be wondering from which English key we can tap which Urdu letter. It is very simple way to know it. Minimize it, change font in English, go to run box, tap OSK, tap OSK, hit the enter button. Here go to font change, tick out Urdu. The key will be changed in Urdu later. And end of the video I would like to say you, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.